Nata sa Cebu Safari Park. Zebra, zebra.
Okay, the next animal which is related to the horse is called zebra.
Patay, di siya
So that is the male zebra and right there is the female zebra. So the zebra is the highlight of the African savanna. So the zebra, any of the several swift African mammals related to the horse, but distinctively and conspicuously a pattern in stripes of black, dark brown, and white. The lifespan of the zebra in the wild is about 25 years, but in captivity, they will survive for 30 years. And also the zebra can run up to 65 kilometers per hour. So the scientific name of the zebra is the Icus quagga. The zebra is a black color with white stripe pattern, so the purpose of the stripes of the zebra serves to dazzle and confuse.
Wait, bisa kuya puyog ba? Kaya ba? Build the piece.
Okay, for the first antelope, so as you can see on your right side, the one it looks like a carabao is called wildebeest. No, that is the male wildebeest. So the wildebeest is the one accidentally killed King Mufasa during the stampede of the Lion King. So wildebeest, either of the two large African antelopes with a head like that of an ox, a short mane, long tail and horn, both has sexes that curve downward and outward. So the lifespan of the wildebeest in the wild is about 20 years, and they can run up to 80 kilometers per hour. So the scientific name of the wildebeest is Punokitis turilis. And we can determine their maturity stage through their horns because their horns twist once every 2 years and they can reach about 74 inches. So the male has horn while the female does not have horns. So the lifespan of the greater poultry in the wild is about 7 to 8 years, but in captivity they will survive for 23 years. Formerly abundant in the southern Africa, and he also known as the king of Kalahari Desert in the Africa and one of the lookout here in the African savanna. They can run up to 60 kilometers per hour, and their horns can grow up to 3 feet or 36 inches from the center of the face. And the purpose of white patch on its face are protection against the heat of the sunlight. They can run up to 70 kilometers per hour, and their horns can grow up to 24 centimeters. So the lifespan of the blessed bat in the wild is about 20 years. Then the scientific name is the Meliscus pregargus. Okay, the next antelope, so as you can see on the left side, and those are the impalas. So impala is also known as the amazing jumper in the savannah. The impala is a large brownish antelope from southeastern Africa that in the male has slender curves with ridges. And also the fastest and the graceful antelope in the Africa, so the third one is called waterbuck. So the waterbuck is a slightly antelope of sub-Saharan Africa that commonly frequents swings or humid areas. They will produce unpleasant odors that makes the predator choose another prey. So the male has horn while the female does not have horns. So the lifespan of the waterbuck in the wild is about 20 years, but in captivity it will survive 40 years. Okay, the next antelope and right there. So the one it looks like a common cow with white stripes on the body and also with a short spirally twisted horns in both our sexes, and that is called eland. So the female eland can produce up to 6 liters of milk and it is 3 times more nutritious than an adult.
Napoy pink
Padong.
lion.
Going to the white lion.
White lion. White lion.
Bird. Morning. Okay.
Paray gila eh.
Dito tapikas.
Nangangimin ako uban.
Ito mo si Yuan kay pa. Cage. Sa cage. Off to the white lion.
Asa mo ako siya?
I'm sorry, sino to?
CCPA siya? Oh,
CPDR siya?
CCPA naman. Unsa ditong gisakyan nato inani sa una? Sa unsa dito giraffe to?
Oh, pagkwanto sa van.
Uy, ang bata.
So, good morning everyone. Welcome to the White Lion Safari. For safety, please avoid standing while the truck is still moving. Don't stick your fingers out and also don't touch the motor.
Okay.
Old, so still considered cubs or babies, as the maturity age of a white lion is 7 years old. They came from France and arrived here in the Philippines in the year 2018. So they are nocturnal. They're usually sleepy during the day and active during the night. So if you're wondering why their skin is not that white, it's because they're not an albino. They're leucistic animals, so they adapt to the climate where they are staying in. So here in the Philippines, the climate is very hot, so it's natural for their skin to turn into brown. But when they first came here, white dyan na ilang color. So they consume 8 kilograms of chicken or beef once a day, and their lifespan in the wildlife is 15 years and in captivity is 25 years.
Carp.
Ito yung maganda natin. Si Magic Card. Tama yan.
Thank you. Sana all love bird. Nagtuo sila ka ng bird food good. Dalawa. May pagkakaw to. Di sino?
Kagang kurigitan lo lagi yun. Alam mo ba? Hindi mga yelo. Hey.
Doon siya kaya. Ibutang na siya may. Glory, electrosparrot, grabe feeds oh, grabe feeds oh.
Kuan na orange na tigers.
Excuse me, white tiger, tambok ito gisa no? Tambok no?
Kasi gisuod to siya to no?
Domesticated na siguro na siya,
Anong siya dagan-dagan?
tamed, wala na siya sa wild ba? Sige,
Sige,
nagligid ka. Gitsahan, lagi na gitsa. Mo dito. Asang gitsa? Andaras taas ang gitsa.
Ano yun? Start na yun. Basin dyan tayo mag-itsa na to.
Kitsa kita, sure ka? Na to, nasa taas ka gitsa. Dili mo? Tapos yun. Yun.
Isda. Itsa ko. Mabuhi. No, yun. Excuse me, good. Ito bang... Ito bangan.
Bakit ako?
No. Feed na siya.
Grabe na, one strike siyang paw ba no? Siyang claws ba no? Patay guro ba?
Hello? Tiger?
Ayun!
Medyo ko? Taas taas siguro.
Na, Dre, try. Try gitsa, try.
Ako na. Parang.
Di siya mo duol.
Kuan, mag-meat. Chicken siguro.
Chicken? Breast mo siguro? Breast.
Ano mo dyan?
Nakuha eh. Grabe. Turon eh. Duol na gid.
Paduol na.
Mulayat na Dre. Nangita siya, nangita. Dara, nakita niya.
Ay, manok ko.
Nakuha eh. Grabe. Grabe.
Hi, Tiger. Hi, Tiger. What's the name? Hi, Tiger. What's the name?
Manok. Manok.
Lain na yung kawan niya.
Unsa di gusto yung prituhon daan?
Kanang yana dito siya. Gamay.
Murag mo siguro ni female, yung tambok.
Na may itlog.
Ana?
Ay, itlog.
Tara. Okay.
Hi, Tiger. Hi, Mr. Tiger.
Iya pa yung videos yun. Oh, spider monkey daw siya. Di siya si Spider-Man, si Spider monkey.
Lagi duyan sila. Duyan na ron. Show off man na siya.
Show off sa siyang climbing skills.
Look at monkey yun.
Barog eh. Kuyawan niya nang barog.
Ano na niya? Kung pupanda to, muna siya.
Dire makita Tri.
Isa na po siya kabo.
Salad eh.
Monkey.
Patas monkey.
Kita ka? Hi, monkey. Hi, Mr. Monkey.
Nagkaunay, klaro kayo.
Hi, brother monkey ko na. Brother monkey lagi.
Lama. Cusco.
Hi, Turtle. Nasa rabbit. Oh, Turtle. Dako pa na ba?
Dito kay tulog man sila mga
Ato man ang pet niya nasa salida.
Kinsa. Going to the bird show, bird show. Bird show. This is the bird show, yo. Yo, yo, yo. Bird show, yo. The bird show.
Very finest birds of prey. Right now for our first bird of prey, put your hands together. For a snuggle birding flight, your Bermudicae name, glider. So Bermudicaes are formerly known as the red-backed eagle in Australia, and their local homes live in Buaya and Nalingaw. They love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. So round of applause for Bermudicae name, glider. How good it is at catching this food. So now everyone, keep your eyes alert to our filthy hot eagle named Hunter. Thank you very much, buddy. So we have here
Dako pa na lang.
Mr. Chris.
Di pa na mao
He
kaya.
has the lead
Daw kayo.
because Hunter will not let go from the word without an exchange. What you observe, Mr. Chris' turn in Lingaw is for the perfection of the large and sharp talents of our bird. Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as an endangered species threatened by habitat loss. And same with the birds of prey without teeth, small mammals, reptiles, and birds. They also have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So round of applause for Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. So in two toes that points backward. They also have a powerful beak that can hold on things in time. So we have Mr. Chris right here. He has a ground nut. We will place it on a plastic basket and let's see how Choco will get this reward. Okay, carefully lifts up the basket and get his reward. So we are using the reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our bird. And as what you have mentioned earlier, that Choco is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why?
Why?
Because Choco loves to go to school, to the bird school.
Bird school, get equal.
Okay, so we need to be clear.
Birds
Two
University.
things for Choco. So first one is the spelling test. So we have 5 animal pictures, 4 animal pictures
May lahat lang
here,
kuwan.
and I need you to choose 1 animal picture.
Ano ito
We
lang,
have
map?
zebra,
Dire kayo.
animal, snake, and horse. What do you want? Zebra!
Zebra!
Yeah, here's zebra. Let's have zebra. So, while we're preparing the jungle letters with Mr. Irvin, let's have a short interview with Mr. Chris. Mr. Chris, how are you doing today? That's good to hear. Can I ask what's Jumbo's favorite food? Variety of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. We're all gonna
Ano
learn.
na siya ka ng
So
kuhan?
ready? Take a look at the picture
spelling, guys.
carefully. How does zebra spell?
Spit na zebra, Bill.
First, pick up the letter D.
Good job!
Wow, excellent. Pick up the letter E.
Good job!
Excellent.
Say good job. Napoy
Pick
mato
up
ko
the letter D.
Good job! Napoy mato. Natubos ay.
Pick up the letter R.
Ay may na sa gikos sa plus na gikos.
Okay. Making sure. And pick up the letter A.
Good
So zebra spells.
Yung technique kay doon niya kadungog siya sa bell. Yang kwaon.
Open it seems to be easy for Jumbo, partner, or Eliza. Alright. Okay, so round of applause for White, Balance Eagle Day, Maria. And here this moment, we have here our 5 artists all the way from Australia. And I'm going to let you pick the names. And we have here the 3 types of artists. The Escalars, the Chattering Lars, and the Red Blue Lars. And to make this more memorable, we have here the symbol of love. Peace. For eternity apart, we are critical pieces. And Charlie Lighties all the way.
Flightless bird.
Wala ka lang mga, ano ba, kindergarten ba?
Bata pa.
Mga bata ba lang? Mag-present ba? Mga bata ka mag-present ha? Wala ka di mao.
Asa mo dali? Asa mo dali?
That means
Dali na.
Mr. Rachel is 7 up there, Mr. Richard Wallace is back, Mr. Rich